Dear students, welcome to my channel Santosh Mathematics. Today I start my teaching with determinants for plus 2 students, CBSE, CHSE and 10th students. Determinants is a very vital chapter and plays a vital role in mathematics. So you should learn carefully to this topic. Determinants. What is the meaning of determinants? In dictionary meaning, it comes from the word determine. Determine means to find out the answer or the result of an arrangement. That arrangement is called determinant. Determinant is, the meaning of determinant is the arrangement of certain numbers or symbols in equal number of rows and columns within two vertical lines. Do you understand? I think you better understand. The final thing is arrangement of certain numbers or symbols in rows and columns. I will arrange this in graphs. It is not found in your textbook or anywhere. This is the new concept. I try my best to communicate you the very simple thing. The graphs are very useful and the graphs are easily captured in your mind. So I represent this determinant by graphical way. Look at the graphs. Horizontal. What is horizontal? Horizontal is parallel to base. This is the horizontal lines and this is the vertical lines. Horizontal lines are the rows of determinant. Vertical lines are the columns of determinants. This is the example of an second order determinant. Determinants are of two types in your lesson. Then in your higher study, it is go further and further, the larger and larger. But in our study, this is the main thing, that is second order determinant and third order determinant. Then you proceed. Rows and columns are equal. That is the main thing you remember. Then what is the main thing is to arrange certain numbers or symbols only to find out the answer. First we discuss second order determinant, the graphs you show on my blackboard. This is not in your textbook. Please carefully listen to me. The graphs will help you to answer easily. Second order determinant, there are four elements. First, 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are there. Suppose 4, 5, 7, 2 are there. Then starting from top left, that is top left and that is top right. Top left 4, then 7, then right to top to bottom, right to left, left to right, right to left, right to left, 5, 2, 5 and 2. Look, there is a cross mark here, there is a cross mark here, there is a cross mark here. Cross mark means into. 4 into 7, 28, minus 5 into 2, 10 is equal to 18. Answer. This is the correct way of represent and answer the determinant, and it is easily captured in your mind. You very easily remember it. This graph you remember. If you remember this graph, you will easily answer the second order determinant, and the answer is 18. Now I will discuss third order determinant. In third order determinant, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows, 3 columns. Rows are parallel, columns are vertical. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. How this determinant will be solved? What is the process to find out the value of third order determinant? Please look at my graph. I will say, I teach you only graphs. If you follow the graph, you will answer easily. First step, 1, 2 and 3. 1 into cross. Then 2 into cross, 3 into cross. Final result will be 1 minus 2, 1 cross, minus 2 cross, plus 3 cross. This is the final result. 1 cross, minus 2 cross, plus 3 cross. 1 into cross. I will never tell you which number will be multiplied to which number. These graphs will be show you how you multiply. Then this is the graph you follow and answer your question. If you have any doubt, please comment me in my comment box. Subscribe this channel. Keep watching my videos and share it more and more. Thank you, students.